Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about USCIS removes another gender identity option from immigration forms. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services has quietly removed the another gender identity option from several key immigration forms, including Form I-485, application to register permanent residence, or just status. This change means applicants must now choose between female or male when filling out immigration paperwork, eliminating a more inclusive option introduced in 2023 under the Biden administration. Policy reversal in its broader context, the inclusion of another gender identity, was initially seen as a step forward in recognizing the rights of non-binary and transgender applicants navigating the U.S. immigration system. Its removal follows a broader shift in federal policies concerning gender identity, aligning with other recent changes, such as the State Department's decision to eliminate the X gender marker on U.S. passports. These policy rollbacks suggest a move toward more traditional classifications in official documentation. In addition to the gender identity changes, USCIS has reinstated the term alien in place of non-citizen and foreign national in various immigration-related contexts. This terminology shift affects multiple sections of immigration law, including policies related to public charge determinations and military service exemptions. The term alien had been largely phased out under the Biden administration due to concerns about its dehumanizing connotations. Forms affected by the change. The removal of the another gender identity option applies to several important USCIS forms, including Form I-485, application to adjust status, green card application. Form I-918, petition for non-immigrant status for crime victims seeking protection. Form I-485 Supplement J, confirmation of a valid job offer. Form I-485 Supplement A, adjustment of status under Section 245I. Form G 325A, biographic information for deferred action applicants. Form I-134, declaration of financial support. Form I-192, application for advance permission to enter as a non-immigrant. Impact on non-binary and transgender applicants. The removal of the gender identity option may create additional barriers for applicants who do not identify strictly as male or female. Non-binary and transgender individuals could face difficulties if their gender marker on immigration documents does not align with other legal identification, potentially leading to processing delays, application rejections, or additional legal hurdles. Since USCIS has not provided specific guidance on handling gender discrepancies, affected applicants are advised to choose the gender option that aligns with their other legal documents to avoid delays. Consulting an immigration attorney may also help navigate potential challenges arising from these changes. As immigration policies continue to evolve, the rollback of inclusive measures raises concerns about accessibility and fairness in the system. While some view these changes as administrative streamlining, others argue they represent a step backward for gender inclusivity in U.S. immigration processes. As USCIS eliminates the another gender identity option from its forms, the decision underscores ongoing tensions between federal immigration policy and gender inclusivity efforts. While some see it as a standardization measure, others view it as a step backward for non-binary and transgender rights. The long-term effects remain to be seen, but for now, impacted individuals may need to explore alternative legal avenues to ensure their gender identity is accurately represented in their immigration records.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to talk about USCIS removes another gender identity option from immigration reforms. The US Citizenship and Immigration Services has removed the another gender identity option from several key immigration forms, including Form I-485, which is used for adjusting status so lawful permanent residency. Applicants must now select either female or male, reversing an inclusive measure introduced in 2023. Under the Biden administration, this change follows a broader federal policy shift, such as the State Department decision to eliminate the X gender marker from a U.S. passport, signing a return to traditional gender classification in official government documents. Alongside this change, USCIS has reinstated the term align in a place of a non-citizen or a foreign national in a multiple section of immigration-related policies, including those concerning public charge determination and military service expansions. This marks another shift away from the Biden administration effort to use more inclusive language in immigration process. Several key forms have been affected by the removal of the gender identity option, including Form I-485, Form I-918, U visa for crime victims, and various employment-based and financial support documents. The change may present legal and bureaucratic challenges for non-binary and transgender applicants, particularly those whose gender identity does not match their other legal identification documents. Without the option to select a gender identity beyond a male or female, applicants who identify as a non-binary or transgender may face difficulties if their immigration records do not align with a state-issued IDs, passport, or other official documents. These inconsistencies could lead to processing delays, additional scrutiny, or even potential denials. USCIS has not provided guidance on how affected individuals should process, but immigration experts suggest selecting the gender that aligns with the other legal documents to avoid complications. Consulting an immigration attorney may also help applicants navigate potential challenges. Critics argue that this move represents a step backward for the gender inclusivity in a US immigration policy.